Do you make grammar mistakes while speaking English? Or do you avoid speaking English to people just because you make grammar mistakes? If this is so, you are on the right channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to improve your grammar to speak English well. In the last video, I spoke about why you need to speak grammatically correct language. And in this video, I am giving you the tips to improve your language. Hi, I am Archana Kayale. I am from Good to Excellence. And here we help you to improve your English language and gain confidence in your personal and professional life. So let's start. Tip number 1, word power. To win the grammar game, you need to build your vocab. And you can do it in different ways. Reading and registering unknown words with context. Listening to different types of resources like podcast, audiobooks, interviews. And then finding out the antonyms and synonyms of the words you have learnt. Also learning the words with the themes. And themes can be weather, traveling, relationships, and that's the way you can build your vocabulary. Tip number 2, perfect grammar rules. I know it's boring, but perfect your grammar rules like, how to use verbs, tenses, nouns, adjectives, different sentence structure, word order, subject-verb agreement. Even though it's boring, please perfect it. And if you get yourself familiarized with this grammar rule, your English communication is clear, accurate, and professional. Tip number 3, surround yourself with English environment. Unleash your English love and surround yourself with English books, music, podcast, shows, even the friends who speak English. Be a sponge there and absorb whatever you are listening to or reading. Internalize correct grammar and you are good to use the language confidently. Tip number 4, Mimicry Mode. Surprised? Believe me, it's a fun activity. If you watch any English show or listen to any English speaker, pause it and mimic the speaker or the character in the show.
Because I am gonna make it.
Because I am gonna make it.
Good.
भाग यहाँ से.
What happens with this? Your language, grammar, and pronunciation will align all together. Tip number 5, record and reflect. To fine-tune your language skills, record your voice. Give yourself one topic and speak for a while and record your voice and do the self-evaluation. This self-evaluation aids you pinpointing the areas of improvement, then allowing you to track your progress and refine your language skills. Tip number 6, seek feedback. Don't hesitate to reach out for corrections and guidance. Communicate with good English speakers and ask them for constructive feedback, even if from your peers who are fluent in English. And you can ask them to guide you and give you tips and tricks to speak English well. Don't be shy because learning is all about growing. So there you have ultimate tips for mastering your grammar. Remember, effective communication is a dynamic skill that contributes significantly in your professional growth. So, invest your efforts, time, and money to improve your English language communication. To learn more about such things, press the bell icon to get notified for the next video, subscribe to our channel, and like the video. Also, don't forget to share the video so others can get benefit from it. I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed and take care. Bye.